Hey everyone, I made it into Marshall's. Look how cute. For only 13, you have the bunny, mushroom, and they do have a dragonfly. I like this one because I love mushroom. And look at him. He's wearing like an old-fashioned swimsuit for 13. Kind of giving me like Pugsley vibes. I don't know why. You know that scene where they go swimming in the movie? Okay, $10 for the little bunny. So many cute bunnies with buttons. They're $5.99 for this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. It is full of glitter. We do have a little cute chick for 10. These are cute. And you know what? Look at this egg. Isn't that gorgeous? So this egg will be $13. We have the purple butterflies and everything on it. And a cute duck back here with the chick and the umbrella. Let me see. There we go. And then we have a few gnomes in the back. More bunnies. He's coming out of a little pot. I'm not too sure if it lights up or it's solar. There's a brown bunny. And this one is by Martha Stewart. $15 for this one. So the bunny with the family will be 20. Oh my gosh, you guys, the duck with the umbrella, he is back. I thought he was really cute. I saw him last year. I see him every year. And look, they do have a larger one. Oh my gosh, I love these. He's $5.99 and you get two little chickies. $5.99. Oh, we have Snoopy down here. And then everything is more bunnies. Okay, this one with the carrot in his pants. Okay, he is adorable. He is only 8. I kind of like that one. I wouldn't mind. Look at this, the bunny with the purple umbrella for 25. And you know what? There is plenty of snow globes. They do not make music or anything, so like 15 bucks. And 15 says Happy Easter on it. They have the eggs, tulips, a little, kind of reminds me a little bit of a Nutcracker bunny. It's a yellow rabbit. Eggs, like a little box of eggs by Cupcake and Cashmere. They also have Martha Stewart eggs for each. And here's a gnome one. So there are a few gnomes. Now these bunnies, they're kind of cool right here. Let me see if I could turn it around. They do have a design in the back. Ain't that cute? And I'm really just loving these ducks. They're so cute. Those are adorable. I love them. You need a little carrots, like little wicker ones. 3 for $13. And I really like this Easter one, that little mini one. But I kind of like the one where they're in the teacups too. Oh, that duck is 10. She is 10 on top. And down here, I think there's a few more. Oh, yeah, bunnies, some more eggs. These are nice. These are 10. And they also have a glitter one. Those are nice too. I love them. I love them. Is there a chocolate bunny down here? Oh, here we go. You know, like the chocolate mold. That's what I call them. I love this candle. $8. Look at the lid. Sunrise citrus. That's really cute. Here's a plaid bunny. This one's a little different. Then we got a chick and an egg. That's so cute. Oh gosh, there's just tons of new items, which is really nice because in the previous years, it was like all the same decor. So it looks like this year we're getting new items, finally. Here's another duck for 10, but aren't these cool here? And there's one St. Patrick's Day. And of course, we have the Hello Kitty. She's 25. Then a few more eggs by Martha. This one is 8. Alright, you guys, that is it for their Easter decor here. And everything here is like more for home decor. Look at this guy. It's kind of cool because it looks like, you know, the wood. That's cute. And this flower one. They're nice too. Only see the pink one. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough and Easter spring decor. It is here. Oh, look at this one. They're having fun. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. I really like that big duck one.